ready for another Disney day, and Bonnie and I have matching hats on. And it's not too crowded yet, so let's see how the day goes. Woo! Where is everyone? Stay in your hotel rooms, don't come out yet. Yay! Wow, it's a beautiful day. Peter Pan ride. Hi, Nana.
Come on, everybody. Here we go. Off to Neverland. Hurry up, Wendy. Second start to the right, straight on forward.
Alright, check it out. Here's Jake's dad and all his family's here. We just ran into him. Another Pixar item. Tarzan's Treehouse. There's Mrs. Pops and Chip. We're just exploring Tarzan's Treehouse, and I tried the carrot cake churro, and I loved it. It was actually really tasty, and I thought the dipping sauce was good. Bonnie, did you like it?
Yes, good.
Yeah. I would totally get it again. I liked it. Look who it is. Captain Jack Sparrow. Yeah. Captain Jack.
Thank you.
Do you have any words of wisdom for us?
Words of wisdom.
Yes.
Always trust a dishonest person.
I like that.
Never an honest one.
I like
Always
that.
trust them to be honest and do something incredibly stupid.
Thanks for sharing those words of wisdom with us. Leia. A tree house. So cool. How cute are these bathrooms? It's a little pirate lady. Bengal barbecue for lunch. Haunted Mansion.
Is this haunted room actually stretching?
Got some strawberry beignets. Oh my, those look so cute and good. I'm trying the strawberry beignets, and I'm getting powder dust all over, but they're really fun. I think I like the original ones better, but they're still really good. And so I've tried a couple different churros now, and those are all fun. I think the carrot cake churro is my favorite that I've tried so far. The strawberry beignets are good and messy. Check out all this strawberry dust all over. It's a small world.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
No, that way.
The rule of 42. The queen always wins.
With their heads! Off with their heads! Off their
It's a lovely day outside. Baby! a tasty treat. This good looking macaroon, raspberry filled. How cute is this Slinky Dog bracelet? They also have it in a necklace, an earring set. Disney home, Mickey short planter. This holds flowers. Just came back to the Disneyland hotel and had to say goodbye to Bonnie. She's flying back home, but I'm excited. Jake's on his way. So I have a few hours by myself at Disneyland. So I think I'm gonna go grab some dinner and maybe go on some rides and probably do some shopping because that's what I do best. Check out who it is. Okay, how cute is this dinner? You gotta see a close-up of this guy because he's so cute.